Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 40SE, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this phone through recovery mode. And this process will also allow you to get rid of screen locks, so if you have one set that you don't know, so we'll remove it. Now I'll also mention this right now so there is no misconception. If you are also logged into a Google account, this will basically make it so the device is FRP locked. And what that means is when the reset is finished, you will need to verify either the previously used screen lock or the logged in Google account. Now, that being said, there is a method of bypassing this, which I'll be recording in the next video, shameless plug. But yeah, for everyone interested in that, I'll be making a video for this. It will require a computer, so I just kind of want to clarify this. Unlike most other bypasses done like this, which don't require anything apart from just the locked device. Now, anyway, let's just jump straight into the process. So, locking the device, you can see I do have a pattern set, and I'm going to progress from here as though I don't know it. So number one, hold your power button and select power off. And when the device turns off, you want to hold power and volume up at the same time. When you see the TCL logo, let go of the power button, but keep holding your volume up. This will then take us to the recovery mode. Now in here, using volume buttons, either one of them, you want to navigate in order to select Wipe Data Factory Reset. Then confirm it using your power button. And select Factory Data Reset. It will give you a message formatting data. Give it a second, and once it's finished, you will see Data Wipe Complete, and Reboot System Now will be selected by default, so press power button once again. Now this will now continue resetting your device in the background, so it will take it a little bit longer to boot back up. Don't worry, that's completely normal. Once it's finished, we'll be then presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.